So hello YouTube family. Today we will see the small RC that I'm having, that is Beetle. So it comes with a very small cute remote and it is a scale of 1:64. It is having a very good detailing of headlamps and tail lamps, which is in working condition. You can control it from your remote. So I will start this. You can see that it is having a very good ambient light which can be adjusted from the remote. And you can see that blinking headlamps and tail lamp. So yeah, we will see how does it perform. So yeah, you can see that it is very fast, very quick, and the response time is very quick. Also, you can do the drift from this vehicle, but yeah, I'm not able to show it as my table is very small. It will definitely fall from my. It is very punchy, and I will show you the cruise control. So yeah, so you can see that yeah, you can see that I have left my remote over here. Yeah, I'm not doing anything. It is on cruise control. And now so this is for kids above 6 plus, as you can see on the packaging. So definitely adults are going to love this one. So you can definitely get this at your nearby store. Also, you can find this on Amazon, but though they are selling at little expensive. I got this at 1500 near my nearby toy shop. So definitely you can go for this, and it is a pocket friendly, so you can carry it anywhere. So yeah, that's it. Stay tuned. Thank you.